Namaste to all learners. My name is Nikul Patel. Topic for the today's video is classification of manufacturing processes. There is no fixed criteria for classification and not for labeling the different processes. Different authors differentiate manufacturing process in a different and numerous way. In this video, manufacturing processes are basically classified into the simplest form as it is shown on this slide. There are three basic categories where manufacturing processes are classified. The first one is primary processes, second one is secondary processes, and third and last one is advanced processes. We are going to understand each type briefly one by one. First, look at the picture. We extract raw material from Earth's crust in irregular shapes and sizes. This material then converted into the useful product after passing through the various manufacturing processes. Primary processes. In primary process, raw material is converted into the final product after completion of primary manufacturing process. For example, in casting process, irregular raw material becomes a product with single manufacturing process. There is no need to take raw material with specific shape and size. Any type of raw material becomes a final product after completion of casting process. Second type, secondary processes. This type of manufacturing processes needs already processed material as a raw material. And then after completion of process, you will get final product. Raw material for this category may be in the form of rods, slabs, wire, billets, and so on. In this picture, you can see bunch of rods as a raw material for manufacturing different products. Advanced processes. Processes which are developed or invented during the last 1 or 2 decades are classified under the tag advanced processes. These processes are useful in almost every sector of manufacturing, as well as these processes are cost effective. In contrast to this explanation, each and every process has its own world in which they are king of their kingdom and no one can replace them. In the photograph on this slide, the 3D printer is shown in this slide. 3D printer is fastest growing technology in today's world. Now, we are going to classify the different manufacturing processes in a broad manner. The first category in this classification is shaping and forming. In this, raw material is directly converted into the finished product. Raw material used in this type of manufacturing processes may be in the form of solid state or in the form of liquid or semi-liquid state or in the form of powder. Processes like forging, rolling, extrusion, drawing, and so on use solid state raw material, whereas casting and injection molding type of manufacturing process needs liquid or semi-liquid state of raw material. If material is in the form of powder, then powder metallurgical processes are used for manufacturing. Second category is joining processes. This type of processes use already processed material as a raw material, and by joining them with each other, we can get final product. There are different processes in this category like welding, brazing, etc. For structural construction work, these processes are widely used. Third category in this classification is material removal processes. Machining operations are being carried out for manufacturing, no matter whether it is a traditional or non-traditional one. picture placed at the top of this slide shows grinding process which is carried out for removing the weld bed. Or we can say that in a simple word, processes are being carried out for smoothing the surfaces. Grinding process is always used to enhance the surface finishing of the product. Material is removed from the raw material while machining and grinding the processes. Look at the picture placed right side of the bottom of the screen. This image shows machining operation carried out on the CNC machine. CNC machines are used where the precisional work is needed. We can say CNC machines are the advanced version of lathe and milling machines. Fourth and last category in this classification is regenerative manufacturing processes. All processes listed in this category are useful in rapid prototype. We are manufacturing a product layer by layer in this manufacturing process type. Somewhat similar to first category, there are different form of raw materials used for constructing a product like liquid, powder, sheet and wire. Actual image of different regenerative processes are shown on the left side of this slide. 3D printers are widely used for constructing a prototype for analysis purpose. This regenerative technology also used for reverse engineering. In our next videos, out of all manufacturing processes, we will learn about different casting processes, various metal joining processes. In this, especially we are going to study about different welding processes, forming and shaping processes, and at the end, powder coating and polishing processes. Stay tuned for the remaining syllabus. Thank you.